Familiarize yourself with the 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander. It features a continuously variable transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.